Meaning of illustrative.
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 Illustrative. The term illustrative is typically used to refer to something that serves as an example or clarification. It is often used in contexts where a visual or written depiction is needed to help explain a concept or idea more clearly. For instance, in a business report, an illustrative case study may be included to demonstrate how a particular strategy or approach was implemented successfully. The use of illustrative examples can help to make complex concepts easier to understand and engage with, and can be particularly useful for conveying complex information to non-experts or lay audiences.